Hello students, let us see this question from TIFR. So here you have been given a op-amp circuit. And now this is basically a precision rectifier circuit. Now here first you amplify the signal and then you rectify it. So they have given you an input wave of 5 sine 2 pi t. Okay, so that is amplitude of sine wave is 5 volt. Now, when you apply this signal to the non-inverting terminal, okay, they are asking what will be the output. So, when you apply the signal to non-inverting input, then you get the output without any change of phase. So, when you apply positive cycle, okay, when you are in positive cycles, the output will be also positive. Now, this diode is ideal, okay. So this will not require any voltage as soon as forward bias. Okay, this will become short circuit. So for positive cycle, what will happen? For positive cycle, this will be short circuit, and this will be your V output, and V output will come here, and this V output will be equal to your V input here, because this is the ideal op-amp. So the voltage at non-inverting and inverting terminal is almost same here. So positive cycle, okay, your output will be almost equal to the input voltage. So now when you go to the negative cycle, when you have a negative cycle, this output will become negative and this diode will become reverse bias. So you can treat it as open circuit. So that means this connection is will be cut off from here, and you cannot get any output here. That will be zero output. So positive cycle, you get the output which is equal to the input, and negative cycle, because this is open, you get a zero voltage. So out of the given options, okay, option D is the correct answer. For positive cycle, you are getting same output, and for negative cycle, you are getting zero output. Okay, thank you very much.